Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to block any program from accessing the internet on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If you have a suspicious app or any other reason to prevent an application from accessing the internet, you can easily do so using Windows Defender Firewall. Let's get started. First, click on the search box and let's type Defender. From the suggestions, choose Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security, and the Advanced Security window will open. Next, click on the Outbound rules from the left-hand menu. Then on the right-hand side, click on No Rule. A new box will appear. In the new box, keep Program selected and click Next. It will ask for the path of the program you want to block. Click on Browse, then navigate to the local disk C and find the program you want to block. It should be either in the Program Files folder or the Program Files x86. Select the executable file of the program you want to block. For example, I want to block Brave browser. I would select brave.exe file and click on Open. Now the path will be selected. Click Next. Select Block the connection and click Next. Ensure all three options here are checked and click Next again. Here, let's provide a name for the rule that you can easily identify in the future. For example, I'll name mine Brave Browser Block. You can also add descriptions if needed. Once done, click on Finish. And now the program has been added to the blocked list. If I expand this window, you can see here under the Actions column, it says Blocked. Now to verify, if I open the Brave browser, I would get this message that says your internet access is blocked. If you want to remove the block rule, simply select it from the list, right click on it and select delete, and then confirm by clicking yes. Alright, and that's how you block an application from accessing the internet on your Windows 10 or 11. You can repeat these steps for multiple programs if needed, and the blocked application will no longer have internet access. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Bye for now.